Linux is designed and built fundamentally to be part of what is a core strategy from the Red Hat organization. We believe our customers need to be able to run services and workloads from wherever they choose. And that means the hybrid or multi-cloud strategy is at the core of everything we do. It's been proven out because more and more customers are looking to utilize the massive scale engine that AWS as a cloud hyperscaler provides, the flexibility as a cloud vendor they provide with cloud economics, etc. So many of our customers are looking to utilize that as an added benefit, whilst also needing to be able to have on-premises colo capabilities themselves of delivering technology. And RHEL is built with that in mind. It's built to be an easy to use technology which facilitates innovation. We are removing friction all the time. And my demonstration in a moment of insights is another example of how much we invest in that for our customers when utilizing our technology in this hybrid or multi-cloud context. The protections we give with that highly secure operating system work across the cloud, and we can help organizations utilize the understanding of that from a management point of view very rapidly and take away a lot of the complexity of driving services across these multi-tiers of service delivery platforms. And focusing down more on actually how you would do that with Red Hat Enterprise Linux, you have a choice as a customer. You can either choose to run Red Hat Enterprise Linux directly on AWS from AWS. And I will show you in my demonstration how easy that is. Within moments, you can scale your estates of Linux capability out into the cloud in the regions you choose dynamically, and then bring them back into your management models, effectively reducing risk in that expansion and evolution of service delivery. You can also bring your own subscription. That's what BYOS stands for with Red Hat. In that model, you can utilize a service we talk about at Red Hat. We label it Cloud Access. And that gives you the ability to bring already paid for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. If your plans change, you've already thought you're going to use a certain amount of Linux on premises today, but because of the way the world's evolving, you'd like to utilize the scale engine at AWS, you can bring those subscriptions across and utilize them very effectively, very rapidly on AWS. So you're not in a situation where you end up paying twice, in effect, for investments you've already made. And we'll touch on ways and techniques to be able to do that in my demonstration. Importantly, if you do directly purchase from AWS, that friction that I was talking about is virtually removed completely. The ability to drive RHEL into AWS is seamless. You are able to choose the versions very rapidly of what's available. You get your workload within minutes because of the power of AWS Cloud. And of course, you are immediately charged a pay-as-you-go model for the pricing of the operating system and the underlying infrastructure as a service in one point. And it all sits within your AWS account. So any discounting or buying programs you have with AWS today will apply to that Linux usage. Looking at the other model, bringing across your Red Hat subscription, it's very easy to move that subscription over using our Red Hat Cloud Access model and the subscription you've already paid for. So in that model, you won't have to pay for the RHEL on top of the infrastructure as a service. You'll only have to pay AWS for the infrastructure because you've already bought the subscription from Red Hat.